Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best food steamers that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, we can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay. So let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5, we have the Ovent 2-tier electric food steamer. This budget-friendly option is perfect for those who want a simple, no-frills steamer that gets the job done. With a 5-quart capacity and 400 watts of power, this steamer is capable of cooking vegetables, fish, dumplings, and more in minutes. The 2 stackable tiers allow you to steam multiple dishes simultaneously, keeping flavors separate and organized. The design is compact and lightweight at just 1.8 pounds, making it easy to store in tight spaces. Both the baskets and food tray are dishwasher safe, which is a big plus for easy cleanup. While the stainless steel base offers durability, the plastic baskets may feel less premium compared to higher-end models. However, the automatic shutoff and timer features ensure safe and convenient operation. Overall, the Ovent steamer is ideal for individuals or small families looking to eat healthier without breaking the bank. While it lacks advanced features like digital controls or larger capacities, it delivers solid performance for its price point. Pros include affordability, compact design, and ease of use, while cons include lower wattage and a smaller capacity compared to other steamers on this list. At number 4, we have the Bella 2-tier food steamer. This mid-range steamer offers great versatility with its 7.4-quart capacity and 2-tier design, allowing you to cook multiple dishes simultaneously without mixing flavors. The stackable baskets are perfect for steaming vegetables, fish, tofu, or even rice, making it a great tool for preparing complete meals. Bella has incorporated smart features like an easy-to-read water level indicator, an auto shutoff with boil-dry protection for added safety. The removable base makes cleanup a breeze, and the dishwasher-safe baskets ensure minimal effort post-cooking. While the plastic baskets may not be as durable as stainless steel options, they're lightweight and easy to handle. This steamer is perfect for families or individuals who want a larger capacity without spending too much. Pros include its affordability, larger capacity, and user-friendly features, while cons include the plastic build and less compact storage compared to smaller models. Overall, the Bella 2-tier food steamer is a fantastic value for everyday cooking needs. Taking the 3rd spot, we have the Secura electric food steamer. This premium mid-range steamer is packed with features that make it stand out. With 1,200 watts of power, it heats up almost instantly, generating steam in just 15 seconds, a major time saver for busy households. The 8.5-quart capacity and 2-tier stackable baskets allow for cooking large quantities or multiple dishes at once. The design focuses on durability and convenience, with stainless steel baskets and a glass lid for a premium feel. The LED display and digital controls make it easy to set cooking times and even delay start for up to 10 hours. It also includes a keep warm function, maintaining food temperature without overcooking. The boil-dry protection and auto shutoff features enhance safety during operation. This steamer is ideal for families or food enthusiasts looking for a high-performance, versatile option. Pros include fast heating, large capacity, and advanced digital controls, while cons include its bulkier design and higher price. If you're willing to invest a bit more, the Secura steamer delivers excellent value in terms of functionality and reliability. Ranked number 2, the Hamilton Beach Digital Electric Food Steamer offers a fantastic blend of performance, capacity, and affordability. With an 8.25-quart capacity and 3 clear stackable tiers, this steamer is perfect for preparing large meals for families or gatherings. It's versatile enough to steam vegetables, seafood, eggs, and rice, with specific features like a dedicated rice bowl for perfectly cooked rice. The digital touchpad is intuitive, allowing you to easily set cooking times and delay start up to 24 hours. Once the food is ready, the steamer automatically switches to keep warm mode for up to an hour, ensuring your meals are served hot. The nested storage design is a thoughtful addition, making it easy to store the steamer when not in use. Pros of the Hamilton Beach steamer include its large capacity, versatility, and user-friendly digital controls. On the downside, the plastic material may not feel as premium as stainless steel alternatives, and it's slightly more expensive than basic options. All in all, this steamer is a great choice for those looking to balance functionality and affordability. Finally, at number 1, we have the Cuisinart STM1000 Digital Cook Fresh Glass Steamer, which is the ultimate choice for those who want professional-grade performance in their kitchen. This premium steamer features a powerful top-down steam system that ensures even cooking every time. With 5 pre-programmed food settings for seafood, poultry, grains, vegetables, and manual operation, it removes the guesswork from steaming. The 5-liter glass pot and stainless steel steaming tray not only look gorgeous, but also provide excellent durability. The LCD control panel is user-friendly, offering options like start, stop, pause, reheat, and a 60-minute countdown timer. The removable water tank and dishwasher-safe glass pot make cleanup hassle-free. At 15.75 pounds, it's heavier than most, but the build quality and advanced features justify the weight. The Cuisinart STM1000 is perfect for food enthusiasts or families who demand high-quality performance and advanced features. Pros include its sleek design, precise steaming capabilities, and premium materials, while cons include its high price and bulky design. If you're looking for the best food steamer on the market, this one is worth every penny. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.